Hi students, in this video I want to show you how you can be successful in your assignments now that we've begun distance learning. It's going to be a semi-long video, but if you watch the whole thing, I know you're going to do an awesome job on these assignments. So make sure you watch the complete video. So these are our assignments for the week. These slides have all the assignments from Monday all the way to Friday. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to complete Monday's slides. If you know how to complete Monday's slides, you'll know how to complete the rest of the week's slides. So when you go on to the next slide, it says a note from me to you. You're going to read that. Here is Monday's slide. When you go to the next slide, there's going to be directions. The directions here basically tell you to watch this video. Here, each day has a checklist. This is your checklist for the day. I want you to do UHU, writing, math, language, arts, and science. When you're done completing each activity, you can grab a star here to drag it to the left to show that you're done. If I want to undo that, there is this button right here. This is undo. It's next to the printer symbol. Click on it and it places the star back. Or I can redo it as well. There's a redo button and it places the star back to where it was. But I want to undo that, so I'm going to click on this button. So this is your checklist. So the first activity is UHU. You're going to click on the link, the blue letters, click on it. It's going to open up another link that says clever.com. Click on that link that pops up. It's going to take you to Clever. From Clever, I want you to go on the app UHU. And I want you to fill this out. This is showing me that you are doing your work for the day. So this is the first activity I want you to do. And I'm going to get a notification that's showing me that you've done, you've logged on that day to complete your work. It's going to ask for your name and your code. I sent everyone's code to their parents on Dojo. So you can ask your parents what your code is. Or you can go back to the slides. To go back to the slides, this is a yellow symbol. Click on it and it says forgot code. Click on the link, the blue letters. It's going to pop up another link. Click on that blue link. It's going to show you, you're going to look for your name and look for your code. So let's say if I was Analia A, I'm going to go to the right. This is my code. I'm going to write it down and then go back to this purple box, which is UHU. Click on it and write my code. When you're done answering the questions, select submit. And then after you submit, go back to the yellow box and go back to the next slide. So once you're here, you need to scroll all the way up to Monday's slides. Mondays are in yellow. Go back to Monday's slides. You just completed UHU. Now you can go on to the next activity. One thing I want to add before going on to Monday is that each day of the week is represented by a color. Monday is yellow. Tuesday is teal. Wednesday is red. Thursday is, let me show you Wednesday. Wednesday is red. Thursday is represented by the purple color. And Friday is represented by the color green. So that's how you know what activities are for what day, in case you were wondering. And so we just did UHU. You're going to go on to writing now. Each day of the week has a writing prompt. This says write a letter to a grandparent or other family member. So you're going to go on the next slide to complete your writing prompt. You're going to type your name here. To type your name, you're going to click on the box. You're going to click on the last letter of the last word, and you're going to erase that and type your name. After you're done typing your name, you're going to click on this box. Again, click on the last letter of the last word, and you can erase that, highlight it and erase it, and write your summary here. And then you're going to type your name here. To make sure you get an awesome, to complete this and to get an awesome remark from me, you need to make sure you complete the checklist. So does it have 5 sentences? Does it start with a capital letter? Does each sentence end with a punctuation mark? And did you reread your writing? If you did all of these 4 things, drag a check mark to each one. I'm going to undo this. This shows me that you took the time to review your writing. Next slide is your first brain break. There's a total of 4 here. So it says choose one of the following. Drag a check mark to the square when you are done. So let's say I want to do stand up and stretch first. So drag the check mark over to stand up and stretch. When you're done stretching, go on to the next slide. These are your, the next slide is on math. You will need a pencil and paper for these activities. Go on the next slide. There are 2 videos here that I want you to watch that shows you how to solve a 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication problem. This is using the box method. This is using place value. If you already know how to solve this, how to solve these type of problems, make sure you still watch this video because it's showing you how to enter your answers on these slides that I have for you. So this video right here is very important. So you have 4 math problems I want you to complete. After that, there's our second brain break. We already did stand up and stretch, so now let's you're going to select another activity for you to do. And let's say this time you want to do grab a snack. So grab a snack. When you're done grabbing a snack and eating, come back and complete the next activity, which is going to be on reading. So for reading, it says go on Epic or grab a book from home. Find a quiet spot to read. So I want you to click on the link, and a link should pop up. It's going to take you to Clever. From Clever, click on the Epic application, and I want you to select a story from our April collection and read it for 15 minutes. When you're done, go back to the yellow button. That's where our slides are. And it's going to ask you, it's going to tell you to read for 15 minutes and complete one of the 2 activities below. So you don't need to complete 2, you just need to complete 1. So let's say I want to do option 1, write a 5-sentence summary. You're going to click where it says click here. Click on the link that pops up. It's telling you the directions are to write a summary on the story you read. Don't forget to drag a check mark to each box from the checklist. So you're going to click on type in the title of the book, and you're going to type here your summary. Don't forget to erase this. Then when you're done, you're going to look at your checklist. Make sure you complete each one of the checklists, and you could drag a check mark to each box. When you're done with that, it's asking you how many stars do you give this book. If you think this book was awesome, you're going to drag all of these 5 stars here. Or if you think the story was not good, you're going to just place 1 star there. The next slide is on editing a sentence. So it's telling the directions are to edit the sentence by fixing the mistakes below. So read the sentence and try to find the mistake. So I'm looking at the sentence and I'm saying, wait a minute, it doesn't have a period. Or the first letter of the sentence is not capital. The first word in the sentence is not capital. So I saw 2 mistakes. Let's say if I think I'm done. I want to look for a clue. And it says there are a total of 5 mistakes, and I only did 2. I only made 2 edits, so that means that there's 3 more. Oh, April should be capitalized. And let's say if I'm done, I can move the star here, and it's going to show me all the answers in bold. So I got the M should be capitalized, the R should be capitalized, the A should be capitalized, there should be a period. And so this is where your answers will be. Also, when you're done, feel free to move the stars back where they were. Next slide is grammar. The grammar is on conjunctions and verbs for Monday. When you're done reading this, it says right here, done studying, complete the assignment, Monday language review. So it's telling you to complete the assignment that's titled Monday Language Review by clicking here. Click on the link that pops up. It's going to take you to Google Classroom. From Google Classroom, you're going to complete the activity. So we're already doing our classwork from Monday through Friday. And this is, if you forgot what activity I wanted you to complete, because there's a lot, you're going to click on the yellow symbol, the slides, and it says complete Monday Language Review. So I'm going to go back to this black symbol with the outline of a person. That's our Google Classroom symbol. And click where it says Monday Language Review. Once you click on it, it's going to open up, and it's going to open, it's going to show a Google form. I want you to click on that Google form, and write your first name and last name here. Answer the questions. If you need help, let's say you forgot what a verb is, go back to the slides that are in yellow and read what a verb is, and then go back to the Google form. The Google form will be a purple symbol, and answer the questions and then select submit. You have to submit it to get credit. When you're done submitting, go back to the yellow slides and complete the next slide. This slide is on reading comprehension. It says complete the assignment, Monday reading comprehension. So again, I'm going to click here, click on the link that opens, or that's there. It's going to lead you to Google Classroom, and the assignment said complete Monday reading comprehension. So I'm going to complete Monday reading comprehension. I'm going to select it. It's going to open up. Click on the Google form. Complete the Google form. Answer the questions and hit submit. When you're done, go back to the yellow slides and go on to the next one. This is your third brain break. We already did stand up and stretch. We did grab a snack. So how about this time we do 30 jumping jacks? When you're done with your jumping jacks, go on to the next slide. This is our science lesson now. You're going to watch this video. Click on the link. It's going to lead you to Mystery Science. You're going to watch this video by clicking or by pressing play. When you're done watching the video, go back to the yellow button. It's going to tell you to complete the assignment titled Monday Mystery Science. Click on the link. It's going to open up to your Google Classroom. You're going to click on the button that says Monday Mystery Science. Open the Google form and complete these questions on Mystery Science. If you forget some of the answers to the question, go back to the tab that has an M that says Mystery Science. Rewatch the video. You can watch it as many times as you like while you're completing the form. Submit it and go back to your yellow slides. After that, you're on your last brain break. We did 3 of them. Now our last one, it says do a chore. A chore can be anything from cleaning your room, washing some dishes, maybe vacuuming, or you can ask your mom or your dad or whoever you're staying with. Ask them what can I help you around the house, and complete that chore. When you're done completing the chore, come back to your slides. These are notes from you and notes to you. So here I just want you to, it says click here to type. All I want you to type here is let me know if it was easy or hard. And if it was hard, be very specific and let me know what was hard. Say, Miss R, the math was very hard. I need help. I need more help. Okay, and I will comment back to you over here. When you're done with this, go to the next slide. And you are completely done with Monday's activity. It says mission accomplished. If you have energy for more, you can complete any one of these activities. You can do iReady, Imagine Math, complete a multiplication chart, complete an activity from April calendar, or a workout for 25 minutes. For the April calendar, it's really cool because if you click on it, click on the link, it's a kindness calendar, and these are things you can do, a kind activity you can do for each day of the month of April. To go back to Monday, you're going to click where it says go back to Monday slide. Click on the link that opens up. It'll take you back here. So these are just some activities you can do if you have energy for more. If you're done for today, you can just press enter. Your work will still save. Come back to Google Classroom. Click on classwork from Monday through Friday. Click on the slides. So one more time, classwork from Monday is going to open up. Click on Google Slides. It's going to take you here, and then I want you to scroll down and complete Tuesday's work. So you did Monday's already. My computer's a little slow, but that's okay. Complete the work for Tuesday, and Tuesday is very similar. So if you're able to successfully complete Monday's slides, then you're going to do an awesome job on Tuesday. When you're done with Tuesday, press the X button, you're done, and go back to your Google Classroom. Click on the slides for Wednesday when you're ready for Wednesday's work. It's okay if you exit out because your work will still save on Google Classroom. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, always know you can message me, email me if you need help.